There we go. Such a small guy. All right, what's up, guys? We're gonna be fishing again in Newport. Should be pretty fun. There's not too much current. Homie Owen today. Let's hope he catches something. But, you know, another day out here. It's pretty nice. Let's see what we can do today. Might be good, might be bad. I don't know. Even catch one right off the rip. But yeah, it's a nice day today. Hopefully the fish are biting. Let's just hope we catch a couple. Tide's, I think it's low going lower, but we'll just have to find out what we get. Yeah, see, I think I've got seaweed now. Dude. I didn't even mean to catch this guy. He just really wanted it. Such a small guy. All right, no skunk today.
High five, dude.
High five, bro. Yeah. I just tossed it around the pillar right over there, and then I let it sink, and then I moved my pole, and then he just went hunk, and I set the hook, and I was like, okay. Sure, why not? How's it going?
What'd you catch there?
Little spotty. Yeah. Probably not gonna get nothing else. Mostly.
You ever catch halibut back in?
Yeah. There's some on the other side. In that channel over there, there's a bunch of halibut. This one, it's a lot more rare. But they'll come through here. Better off down by the Balboa area. Like the play zone.
More water moving.
Yeah. And they're just swimming in and out. Yeah, there's a few spots where there's always a halibut, but over here there's not really anything.
Is a halibut supposed to be 24 inches?
It's 21 inches, or 21 or 22. I think it's 22 for a legal size. Yeah, I know my buddies call like a 24. I had like a 30-inch halie on not too long ago, maybe a little bigger, but it came off. Just waiting for another one of those. This one right here?
Right around, yeah. Like I was casting right where you caught it.
That's so weird. They don't even, I've never caught a halibut over here. I've only caught them like on the other side.
Weird, I thought it was like a nice body.
Yeah, right? Every time.
It was a really small halibut.
Dude, the other day I thought I had a little nice halibut on, but it was in fact just a really big spotty. And it was awesome. Whoops. Gnarly. Oh my god. Dude. Oh, I just got bit. There we go. It's not bad. Dude, I barely hooked this guy. Can you stop for just 2 seconds, brother? It's not bad.
What?
It's not bad.
You got one?
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
I'm fishing every single day until Mr. B shouts me out.
I'm gonna kill myself.
I'm gonna drink a whole bunch of fucking chlorine
Until Mr. B shouts me out.
until Mr. B shouts me out. I'm gonna commit 5 felons a day until Mr. B shouts me out.
I'm gonna murder 10 people.
All right, it's a pretty fun day fishing. We gotta go. Homie Dub over there, we're gonna go golfing. So just a little couple hour fishing session. Maybe not even a couple hours, like an hour and a half. But fun day regardless. Can't complain. Couple fish. We'll make it in a video. Will be a short one, but it's a video regardless. So yeah, see you guys.